Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to use WhatsApp on multiple devices. To get started, open WhatsApp on your main phone. Tap the three dots in the top right corner if you're on Android, or open Settings if you're on iPhone. From there, tap on Link Devices. Now, tap Link a device. Your phone's camera will open, ready to scan. On the other device you want to use, like a computer or tablet, go to web.whatsapp.com in the browser. You'll see a QR code on the screen. Point your phone's camera at that QR code. Within seconds, your WhatsApp account will load up on that new device. The best part is that it works independently even if your main phone is offline. The link device will still send and receive messages. You can repeat this process to link up to 4 additional devices at the same time. If you want to remove a device, just return to the Linked Devices section on your phone. Tap on the device you no longer need, and hit Logout. And that's it. Now you can stay connected on WhatsApp across multiple devices without missing a single chat. For more tutorials just like this one, make sure to check back again.